If you haven't seen the last handful of videos, here's some of the stuff you missed.
Mike, what time is it?
There it is, completed. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Let's see here. Wait, I've been around on this thing for 5 minutes and I'm still right here. Where? No, not quite. Yeah, there's that exhaust leak I was talking about in the previous video. That's a lot bigger hole than originally anticipated. But yeah, hopefully this thing works. Yeah, it goes over this like. Hopefully that's a little better. Ya mero.
Aquí está otro, pero está más delgadito. Look. Oh, no alcanza.
I got it.
Apenas ese.
I got it, yeah. Alright, yeah, that part of the job's done. Still got to put the tank back in on the other side. But yeah, one thing at a time, try to get this truck up right. Get it ready for the emissions. Yeah, hopefully. I'm going to turn the camera back on in the next part. Yeah, wire connectors are hooked back up to the new one. Now I just got to get these hoses put into place and yeah, it's time to lift the tank again. Alright, we got the tank back underneath the truck. Now I still need to hang it up though. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, UVAP line's done. But these two, that ain't getting done until this tank's back up. Okay. Alright, we got a game plan. Get the tank back up in the air. And hopefully get these straps on and get all the rest of these hoses done. Yeah, I'm about to put this the second strap back together. And then I probably have to call it a day from here because I don't have I need to go and get a couple of new fuel line clips. There we go. At least got that strap in. I don't know if I'm going to tighten it up all the way right now or if I should wait on it. After 120 years of argument and debate, finally there can be peace in America. Whether you prefer underhand, overhand, or you just sit it on the top of the toilet like that. One thing America can finally agree on. We're just glad if it's there. I'm Average Mike, and I approve this message. Now back to the show. Already in progress. Yeah, I figured to change out the fuel filter while I'm doing this pump and everything. And it's almost time to start the truck. Real simple, 2 crescent wrenches, adjustables. As you can see, there's basically 2 nuts. One on the filter, the other one on the line. Now what you want to do, you grab the one on the filter and you put the other one. Trying to get a good angle for you. So you can see what I'm doing. The other one goes onto the line itself. Yeah, there we go. Now I could just twist these by hand, separate the lines. After you pop them loose, assuming they're not too far gone. Assuming your filter hasn't been in there for 5 years or more, you should be able to just pop it like that. Yeah, it's gonna drop some gas. Not a whole lot, but some. That's normal. Wait for it to stop leaking and I'll show you how to put the new one in.
Oh no! You kicked off the gas?
It's okay. It's okay. Here's the new filter going in. You take the caps out of it. Slide the new filter into place.
¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto, pa?
What?
¿Qué es esto?
Oh, that's tire repair. That's for tire repair.
The tire repair.
Arreglar llantas.
¿Arreglar llantas?
Mhm.
Como la camioneta o la Nissan.
Yeah. También trocas.
Pero, ¿cómo es así? Au.
Tighten it as far as you can by hand
In
and
hand.
do the rest with the wrenches. Same thing, just opposite.
Wala gas.
Yeah, there it is. All put together. Lost quite a bit of gas this time. I'm not sure exactly what happened. And we get out from under this truck and we'll see if this thing starts. Now, time to try to start the truck. You're gonna wait for it to stop beeping because that's the fuel pump pushing fuel through the lines. Let's see if this thing starts now. Yes, it starts. And look, there's no more check engine lights or anything. It might be ready to take this thing to the smog center. I'll let you know. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's actually running right now. I had to take it to a dealership because on further inspection I found out that the EGR pipe, one of the EGR pipes was broken. I didn't have the tooling to do that job myself because you got to take off on the passenger side suspension, most of that suspension, in order to get it out. The factory one. Yeah. It's running again. It's running better than ever. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth. Down over here. Yep, there it is. There it is. Yeah, just click on that. You're automatically subscribed to my channel. Yeah, you like the video? Mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Yeah, don't forget to hit that share button. It's right about here. Yeah, you got any suggestions, anything you want to see in future videos? Go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.